This is Sue, and she has been exposed to a disease through an outbreak in her dorm. To figure out what the specific pathogen is, scientists took samples of her blood to perform an ELISA test. The ELISA test is used because the BLAST program isn't 100% accurate. The ELISA test codes for a specific antigen and is used to detect antibodies in a blood sample that match with the pathogen. The first step of the ELISA test is that the sample being tested is added to the wells. The proteins in the sample then bind to the walls of the wells. Any unbound proteins are then washed out by a detergent. A primary antibody is now added which may bind to the antigens. Then the well is washed again to remove any unbound antibodies. The secondary antibody is then added to the wells. The enzyme-linked secondary antibody then binds to the primary antibodies. Any unbound secondary antibodies are then washed out of the well. A substrate is added which reacts with the enzyme if present, producing a color change in the sample. This indicates the presence of the target antigen. Knowing if the target antigen is present helps identify the type of illness going around because specific antigens are unique to specific pathogens. Using ELISA testing, one can accurately confirm what the outbreak was in Sue's dorm, and the students can receive treatment that will be effective against the pathogen.